Good morning, tutor and classmates. My name is Grabando. This is my identification document. And this is the explication of the work. This is the activity. This is the questions. First, what are the modes of propagation of electromagnetic waves? This is the explication. The answer of questions. This is the figure of modes of propagations. This is the two questions. And this is the answer. The question is, what is the phenomenon of total reflection on the electromagnetic wave? The polarization of the electromagnetic wave is the path described by the electric field vector component in this propagation, so as the maintain orthogonality with respect to the magnetic field vector component. There are different types of polarizations. This is the figure. Other figure. The third question: what is the phenomenon of total reflection on the electromagnetic wave? This is explicated from the next slide. And this is the answer of the questions. The figure. This is the application exercises for the development. And this is the exercise, and this there. This is the dates of the problem, and the units correspond. And first is the coefficient of reflection. R is index 2 subtract index 1. We divide an index 2 add index 1, and this is operation, and this is result. This is the comparison on the calculator scientific. The result for R, this is V square, and this is result. Comparison on the calculator for all the transmittance, and this is the unite subtract the result added. For calculate the reflected power on this result, multiply for 200. This is the comprovate on the calculator. The transmit power on the transmittance for 200, and the result. Comprovate on the calculator scientific. The comprovate total result on the calculator scientific. This is report, an image of report. This is the second exercise of propagation of normal wave. This is the dates and the operation, and index 1 we divide index 2 V square, and this is result. This is comprovate of calculator. Calculate the constant phase, and this is operated, and this is result. Comprovate on the calculator. And engines, and this is operations. This is comprovate of calculator. This is result of operation, and this utilized for added to refractive coefficient, and this is operation, this is result. The comprovation of the calculator. Transmission coefficient, and this anterior result. Add to unite, this is result, and we square. For the percentage of power transmitting to wall, and this is result. This is operation, and replace the values for added the transmitted power, and the reflection coefficient and second phase. This is the operation R2, and index 1 subtract index 2, we divide the same result, add, and this is result, and comprovate on the calculator scientific. This is operation for the transmit equivalence, and this comprovation of the calculator. This is the transmit power of multiplicate of result for 200, and this is result. The comprovate of the calculator. The power transmitted for the generator to receiver is obtained as a product of both. This is the transmittance, and this is comprovate of result in the calculator. This is the theory exercise. Propagation of oblique wave, infinite medium. And for this, apply the law Snell. This angle is equal to invert sin for index 1. We divide index 2 for the second angle. This is the operations. And second angle is this comproved result. For distance, this is tangent, this second angle, and distance we divide the distance of proposed in the exercise. This is result of distance AB. This comprovate of the calculator. Apply law Snell's are element interface D. The first angle of air mass second angle equality 19, and this is operation of angle distance is equal to 22.42 grades. Now we calculate index of refractions of index 3. This is operations on this page, and index 3 equality and 2.42. This is the comproved of calculator. And this is operations distance BC equality tangent equality distance BC.
No puedo hacer.
We divide numbers
Puedes
in.
hacer en el portátil.
Pues vamos a hacer las preguntas escritas.
Me daría igual porque las preguntas
Lawes
están
Nels
en
at the
la-
diamond glass
Las
interface.
preguntas están en la.
So-
Las respuestas están en la guía, así que me daría igual que copiarlas en el cuaderno.
Chain of the
Tamaño la trae cuaderno.
other angle is sine inverse
En una hoja de
of index 1. We divide index 2 for sine of the third angle. Third angle on this. Now add distance CD equality tangent equal equality DC distance CD. We divide the distance in the exercise and the distance DC equality. This is result. This is the comparison of the calculator. And distance total distance equality and DAB at DVC at DCD, and this is result. This is the comparison of total calculator result, and this is the report. Now of example application example. In this exercise applied the Lawes Nels of in this index refractions for water and diamond, and this is the result. Thank you.